This is with the Gembird microphone. It is being recorded at 1/4 level in manual audio mode, inside a closet. This is the audio from the Gembird microphone inside a closet, and it is being recorded in manual mode with the noise set at default, the middle. This is again with the Gembird microphone, except this time the audio has been boosted to 3/4 of the meter, and it is being recorded in manual. This is the final test with the audio or the sound level turned to maximum. It is being recorded in manual mode, and it's being recorded inside a closet. This last test is the audio is being recorded in automatic mode, and it is also being recorded with the Gembird microphone inside a closet.